Hello. Welcome to a new tutorial on Clip Studio Paint. This month's theme is about graphite and colored pencils drawing in Clip Studio. Let's start by creating a new canvas. Choose Grayscale Canvas. First, we'll start by creating a new custom pencil. Draw a big blob of color in the middle of the canvas. You can use a simple G pen for this step. Any pen will do. Now, using the kneaded eraser, erase around the edges and create random shapes inside it to mimic pores. Now we have to register the material for a new brush tip. Go to Edit, Register Material Image. Give your brush tip a name and save it as a brush tip. Create a new color canvas. Select a pencil brush and duplicate it. We will be using this brush to make our own. You can follow the written tutorial for step-by-step guide. To import the custom brush tip, go to the brush settings and select brush tip. You can delete the present brush tips and import your own in the material window. Play around with the settings to create your own custom brush. To use paper texture, you can import them from the material menu. You will find a set of custom paper textures attached in the written tutorial. To use them, just select the chosen texture and drag it to the canvas. Start by sketching your artwork using the pencil sketch brush. Here I create a refined version of my initial sketch to have a clean base for my next step. Once I am done, I fill in my base colors and keep them on separate layers. For the rendering part, I keep things simple, and by using a texture brush, I avoid going too much in detail. Adding simple highlights and shadows brings the piece together. You can use my textured brush to add details where needed. Having the colored parts on separate layers makes it easy to render each part without damaging the other ones. Thank you for watching. You can find the written tutorial attached in the description of this video.